Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. In some latest developments, Zimbabwe's First Lady, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, today attended several court sessions at the Rotendro Magistrate Courts in Harare, in a move aimed at gaining first-hand appreciation and understanding on how the country's legal system operates. The First Lady was also there to witness the sentencing of a Guruve serial killer. A man from Guruve, Enimo Zwitha, was handed an 89-year prison term after pleading guilty to multiple violent offenses. Enimo admitted to 10 counts of rape, attempted murder and 1 count of robbery. The court sentenced him to serve the time concurrently where applicable, resulting in an effective 89-year custodial term. The case relates to a string of attacks that caused alarm in Guruve communities. The guilty plea and sentencing bring the matter to a close in court. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.